Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this beginner friendly video I will show you how to use JotForm step by step in 2025 to create online forms, collect data and automate response, all without any coding. So whether you need a contact form, register form or a survey, then JotForm makes it just super easy for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to understand what is really the JotForm. JotForm is a drag and drop online form builder that lets you collect response, accept payments, create quizzes and approval workflows, and embed forms anywhere, website, email or social media. It is free to start and easy to use for business, teachers, event planners and many more. So I hope you understand what is the meaning of JotForm. So first of all, as you can see, we are already in our dashboard panel. This is our workspace. So if you're new in this JotForm, then you just need to create an account in JotForm. Here you can see you will get this kind of an interface on your desktop. So here they will give you the option to create account with email, or here we have the other options called Google and Microsoft. You are allowed to sign up with these two platforms also. Once you're done, then they will be redirected to that place. As you can see, we have couple of features over that place. Here you can see templates, products and many more. And the main thing is JotForm is free for users, but you can only create 5 forms. This is the limited in the free version. Then you will allow to collect 100 monthly submission. So get the premium version, you will get more features over here. So take your decision wisely. So once you're done, then you will get this kind of an interface over here. So here you can create your first form easily. So just click on create form, or you can see this is the certain options here available all the time. You can explore it one by one. So once you click on create, then you will get the options like from AI agent, e-sign and app. So from here you can select this from options to create a form. Here you can see this one is like AI agent is for the created trained agents to guide user and answer questions. Similarly, e-signs is for the create documents that can be signed on any device, or you can create app, make downloads mobile apps with no coding. So I'm going to click on form. Then you can select use template or smart PDF form, e-sign form and many more. Let's go work with first of all template, then we will start from scratch. So first go over here, and here you can see we have the couple of form over that place. This is the form, and here you can see the form types like order form we have, then we have many other form. Here you can see all the categories are available here. So you need to be choose your form from that place. So I'm going to choose one that will be just a simple form, book order form, and let's go and use this template. Just click over here, use this template. Once you click over here, then you will get these options called form, and here you can edit it however you want. Just click on add element, and now you can see you can add your heading, and it is a simply drag and drop option. So I'm going to add a heading that will be subscribe our channel. Type subheader is don't forget to like our video. So once you're done, then you can add your name, or you can remove this one. You can only like certain thing you can add here. Here we have the all the authority to do whatever we want to this form. We can add short text, but I will suggest you to explore it as much as possible. So I'm going to add a signature option here. Then you can add your payment options in this form through this payment section. Also we have couple of widgets like form calculation. It is a version from the paid version. You are not allowed to use it in the free version, as you can see. Then configuration list and many more. Here you can see like we have couple of features over that place which make this form so much incredible. So once you're done, then you just need to click on publish. Just go over here and click copy the link and then open in a new tab. Just click over here and now your form has been published. Now you can form fill up over here. As you can see, our signature template works fast, then message, website, contact number is working perfectly. So this is the using of template. Then if you click onto the create again, and if you want to use it from the scratch, how we will use this, just click over here start from scratch. Then you can select both option, classic form or card form. So here I am going to click this card form. It looks advanced and dynamic, that's why I choose this one. Then they will ask for upload your organization logo or name. I'm going to give my name over here as organized name. Then click on save, and here you can see drag your first here and from the left. So I'm going to add my full name, or you can add your first name or second name. So here you can see I already add. Once they're done, then they will click on submit. On submit, then they will get the options called email. So this is the second version. Once done, then they will get the option for give him number. Here you can see. Then we have the short text option. I will paste it here, and then I'm going to give them options called signature, or I will add a captcha option so they can find out, or my form find out that people is human or not. So I'm going to add the captcha over here. So let's find out where is the captcha in here. So I think I have done. So I'm going to click on setting. Here I'm going to click on this form and click on properties. Now you can see this is the form level and center required, fully required. I'm going to change the name into, no, I think I will leave it here this way. Here I think first name duplicate, and let's go on to the email, and I will make it more required. Without the form fulfilled, they are not allowed to go to the second version. Then I think phone number will be not necessary, it's up to you. Then you can type a questions. Here it will be required, and then this one must be required. So once done, then I will come back to the setting, and here you can see form enable. You can add condition over here. You can include emails, then workflows, then also JotForm sign and mobile notification. So here you can see we already turned on all the necessary things. Now we are going to click on publish. Once I done it, now you can click on open a new tab. It has been published. Just click on start, and it will redirect us to the next panel. Here I'm going to give my name. Then I will click on next. Then I will provide the email. Then I will click on next, and I will give a number. Then click on next. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Then click on next, and I will fulfill the captcha. Here they are asking for select the object that fit theme of the shown image. Yeah, this one fit. Then click on submit, and as you can see our form has been submitted perfectly. Thank you, submission has been received. I hope you understand how the JotForm is work, and when you share, you can embed this thing with your website, or email the form, or share on your social form. Your form is live and ready to collect response. I hope you understand. Then I'm going to give you some bonus tips. That will be use approval flows for workflows like leave request on job application. Always try keystroke mode for tablet at events, and also enable mobile notification with the JotForm mobile app. So thanks for watching the video, this JotForm tutorial for beginners. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below what kind of form are you building, survey registration or something else. See you in the next tutorial.